38422 Leather and Vinyl Repair Compound provides a strong, flexible repair for cuts, abrasions, and minor imperfections on leather and vinyl. It's an excellent complement to SEM Classic Coat, Sure Coat, and Color Coat, providing a quick, reliable repair and refinish with just one system. Sold separately, use the 70022 interior graining pads, which include 6 of the most popular grain. Start by cleaning with a gray scuff pad and 39362 SEM soap. Wipe with a clean, damp towel and dry. Next, clean the area with 38353 plastic and leather prep. When working on vinyl, clean with 38343 vinyl prep. If needed, trim away the cracked edge with a razor blade. Trim a piece of backing fabric to size and mark the center for help with alignment. Apply a thin layer of 38422 leather and vinyl repair compound to the backing fabric. Be sure to remove any excess compound. Using a heat gun with a cone nozzle and a heat shield, apply heat to the repair until the compound turns clear. Avoid overheating the substrate as damage may occur. Next, press lightly with a cold block. Repeat the procedure, refilling the repair area as needed. Applying several thin layers of 38422 leather and vinyl repair compound will produce a better repair than one thick application. After heating the last application of compound, place one of the 70022 interior graining pads over the repair area and apply pressure to the area with a cold block. Lightly sand down any high areas and clean with either 38353 plastic and leather prep or 38343 vinyl prep. Once complete, leather repairs may be top coated using Classic Coat or Sure Coat, and vinyl repairs with Color Coat or Sure Coat.